Imagine you're walking through life, minding your own business, and suddenly people start treating you differently. Not because you look scary, not because you're trying to act tough, but because there's this strange shift in your vibe. A dangerous aura that feels controlled, intelligent, unpredictable, like you can see through people before they even open their mouths. And if you want, you can turn their whole game upside down without raising your voice or breaking a sweat. That aura doesn't come from silence. It comes from something much deeper, something people can sense instantly. And if you skip this video, you'll probably go the rest of your life never knowing why people walk over you or why they don't take you seriously. But if you stay for the next few minutes, you'll learn things most adults never figure out. Because the truth is, fear and respect don't come from muscles or loudness. They come from psychology, prediction, control, and the way you carry your mind, not your body. Let's start with something nobody talks about: predictive thinking. Dangerous people don't wait for your move. They read you before you act. They study your micro-reactions, your tone, the hesitation in your voice, and the cracks in your confidence. You ever noticed how some people can tell you're lying or insecure without any obvious signs? That's because they've trained their minds to read patterns. Most people watch what others say. Powerful people watch what they avoid saying. And when you start predicting people, friends, strangers, even family, they feel it. They feel exposed. They feel seen. And nothing intimidates humans more than the feeling of being read like a book. The second layer of your dangerous aura is controlled scarcity. Not silence, not avoiding people, but being someone who isn't everywhere. Someone who doesn't show up for every plan, every conversation, every meaningless moment. When you become slightly hard to access, slightly unpredictable in your presence, people feel a psychological urgency around you. Human brains chase rarity. When you're limited in presence, you become unlimited in value. Suddenly, your presence becomes an event, not background noise. Now let's talk about something that will flip the whole power dynamic of your life: boundary reversal. This is a psychological trick so strong it makes people rethink their entire approach to you. When someone tries to test you, question you, or corner you, instead of explaining yourself, you reverse the question. Someone says, "Why do you act like that?" And you respond, "Why does that bother you so much?" You instantly shift the focus back to them. Now they're the one under the spotlight. They're the one feeling off balance. Suddenly, they're not analyzing you. You're analyzing them. People fear what analyzes them. Another hidden trait is social momentum control. Most people follow the energy of the room. They laugh when others laugh. They panic when others panic. They follow the emotional current like sheep. People with a dangerous aura don't follow momentum. They interrupt it. They enter group energy when they want, and they shift it when it benefits them. You walk into a chaotic room and speak with smart timing. Suddenly everything slows down. You walk into a quiet room with confidence. Everything sharpens. People start syncing to your frequency, not the other way around. That's the moment the room stops controlling you, and you start controlling the room. Next comes precision speech. Not silence, but accuracy. You don't say unnecessary words. You don't over-explain. You don't try to impress. You speak in clean sentences that hit harder because they're rare. When you say, "I had other priorities," instead of giving a 5-minute excuse, people feel your confidence without you trying to show it. Precision speech tells people, "I value my time and yours too." And when you speak with precision, people listen with intention. Let's move deeper. Emotional unpredictability, but not the toxic type. This is controlled unpredictability. Some days you're warm, some days you're neutral, not because of mood swings, but because you're not emotionally available on demand. You're not a vending machine for reactions. This makes people tread lightly around you, not out of fear, but respect. Humans fear what they cannot fully predict. Then comes purpose-based walkaway. This is one of the most intimidating traits ever. When you walk away from friendships, relationships, opportunities, or habits, the second they clash with your values, people realize you're not held together by approval. You don't tolerate low-quality treatment. You don't negotiate your worth. You leave, and the moment they learn that you can leave, they stop giving you the treatment that makes people leave. Another deep layer, intellectual edge. Dangerous aura isn't about being tough, it's about being sharp. You drop psychological insights in conversations. You observe instead of judge. You understand patterns. You know human nature. Suddenly people feel like they're dealing with someone who thinks deeper than the average person, someone who cannot be manipulated with surface-level tricks. And finally, emotional mirroring. Whatever people try on you, sarcasm, passive aggression, insecurity, you reflect it back with clarity. You show people the truth of their behavior without attacking them. Aggressive person, you sound overwhelmed. Manipulative person, you're trying too hard to control the situation. Insecure person, that tells me more about how you see yourself than how you see me. When you do this, people feel naked. They feel exposed, and they start respecting you at a level they didn't know existed. Now listen, if you're still here, I already know something about you. You're not average. Average people click away when something challenges their comfort zone. You didn't. You stayed. You're one of those rare individuals who actually wants to evolve, who wants to grow into a version of themselves that no one can shake. And if you felt even one moment in this video hit deep, then don't just disappear. Stick around, engage, become part of this energy. People change when they consistently surround themselves with a mindset that pushes them, not one that drags them. And now here's the final punch. Your dangerous aura isn't built in the gym or the mirror or Instagram. It's built in your mind. It's built in the decisions you make when nobody is watching. And if you don't start shaping this version of yourself now, you'll wake up at 30, 40, 50 still trapped inside the same weak patterns, wishing you had taken action earlier. But if you do start now, if you decide today, everything changes. You won't just walk into rooms. You'll shift the air when you enter. You won't just exist in people's minds. You'll live there. Become that version. Earn that aura. The world won't be ready for you, but you will.